Just making a little gap between the silver and the black piece using a knife right here. Once you've made the gap, then you use a tool like this and just run it down that gap all the way around the tablet. Pull the back off. Of course, yours is going to be a little harder for the first time. It'll snap a few more times. Don't worry, you won't break anything. Here is the NFC antenna. These are the two contact points. Clean these off with an eraser. And here's the two little contacts on the board. And these get pushed down just a little bit. So you take a knife or your fingernail. I prefer a fingernail. And be really careful here, because you don't want to break these off. You just want to put a little more spring in them. So I'm showing you with a knife here. I'm not going to do it with my knife. I'm going to do it with my fingernail. But I just want to pry these up just a little bit, get some spring back in these. There you can see they're up about a 1/4 inch further than they were. That makes them contact the antenna better. Then you snap it all back together.